Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try Hariyali style chicken tandoori. So I've got 3 chicken leg pieces here. So let's get started. So first let's prepare the masala. So to prepare masala I've got like 1 tablespoon of whole pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a small cinnamon stick and 2 cloves. Cloves just for flavor I'm using cloves and cinnamon stick. So I'm putting it in a mixie jar and I'm going to powder it. So I have powdered it now, and in the same mixer jar I'm adding ginger and then garlic like 6 pieces, and I'm adding green chili, 4 green chilies, and let's grind it again. So I've grinded it, and next I've got 1 cup of coriander leaves and half a cup of mint leaves. So again I'm going to add it in the same mixer jar and grind it. So I've got it, I'm going to grind it now. So I've grinded it like a smooth paste. Let's transfer it to a bowl. And now I'm adding 1 lemon juice, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt 1 tablespoon and half a cup of curd and finally 3 tablespoons of oil. Now mix it completely. And to the chicken I made some deep cuts so that it will be easy to marinate. And now I'm applying this mixture all over the chicken. And just apply it well, spread it across the chicken completely. So as you can see I've used all the masala that I prepared, so the chicken got completely disappeared, so which is good. It will marinate well and nice. So I'm going to leave it like this for at least 2 hours now. Let it marinate for 2 hours. So it's been 2 hours now, so we can cook our chicken now. So I'm going to use a pan, turn on the heat on a medium flame. And carefully just place our chicken one by one. So I've placed all 3 leg pieces and a small thigh piece in the pan, and I'm not using any oil now because we already used oil while marinating, so that should be sufficient. So let it cook like this. So now the chicken started releasing a lot of water, so let cook like this until all the water gets drained, and occasionally just keep moving the chicken so that it doesn't get fried on the base, and also occasionally just flip this chicken to the other side. Just flipping it to the other side so that the chicken gets cooked evenly. So the water is getting drained. So what I'm doing now is I'm just adding the leftover masala also on top of the chicken so that it gets cooked nicely in the masala. let's flip it. And adding the masala on the other side of the chicken also. So let it cook until it gets dry. So now the chicken is cooked completely, and finally I'm applying little butter, and then we can turn off the heat immediately now. So our chicken is ready. I'm just turning off the heat. So there's our chicken, guys. Came out very well, and it has got an amazing flavor and a unique taste that comes from mint leaves, coriander leaves, lime juice and the green chili. So good. Please give it a try, and thanks for watching.